think this really is going to be a game changer for me because I'll be able to just undo the back, chill out, and relax. Hey everybody, David, aka RVJEDEYE, aka CAR-V-JEDEYE. And if you followed the channel or you haven't, let me explain something about eating on the road. There is no need to eat poorly when you're on your road RVing or car camping. And I love to chef it up when I'm out there. Normally I'm in my RV, and one of the things I do is I have my Char-Griller Grill and I chef it up outside, cooking as much stuff as I can. When I car camp, I go to my Coleman 2-burner stove and love to chef it up that way. But now I have a new toy that is going to change the game. I have a Char-Griller 17-inch flat iron griddle. It is absolutely fantastic to use. A couple of weeks ago, I seasoned the grill, showed you how to go about doing that, and I cooked a breakfast out on my balcony. It was a test run, if you will. Now it's time to bring it out on the road with me, and I cannot wait to get to use it tonight. Speaking of tonight, we're gonna do something ab-fab. We're gonna do a gourmet burger with some crack fries on the flat top, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. You know what? I can't wait anymore. Let's get this one started. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to get your Char-Griller fired up and get that flat top nice and hot to start cooking everything on. You then want to take your cracked fries and get them going. Now, I actually started the fries the night before. I cut them up, soaked them in some water overnight, then put them in a microwave for a couple of minutes, about 6 or 7 minutes to pre-cook them. And then I took them out, put them in a storage bag, added some olive oil and some Old Bay. The perfect amount of what you need for cracked fries. Next on the grill, time to drop the bacon. With the bacon now cooked through, you want to get your burger on. I seasoned it with a little paprika, some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. That's all I really want on this one. We're going to get it on the grill. I made a thick burger. I cannot wait. Onto the griddle, you want to get your onions. You want to get them starting to cook down. That looks amazing. So with the burger just about cooked, the onions grilled down, you now want to start an egg. Yep, we're going to put a fried egg on top of this. And then in just a little bit, we're going to add some cheese to the burger, make it all ooey and gooey and delicious. Everything is now done. It is time to plate this bad boy up and eat it. And voila, there you have it. A gourmet burger with bacon and cheese and onions and some cracked fries, all done on the flat top. Let's try them. Excellent. And let's try this burger. Ooey, gooey, and delicious. I'll put a link to how you do all this in the description below. Try it when you're out there. I think you might really enjoy it. The egg adds a really great dimension to the gourmet burger. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun. No need to eat poorly when you're on the road. You can do something like this. We'll see you next time.